Hi everyone! Do you know that there are nearly 1.5% of people with hearing and speaking impairment in our country? These people have so much to offer and should be part of the mainstream community. So here at Asoka World School, we're taking a step forward in implementing sign language training for all students. I, Hasina, along with my friends Dave and Adwait, will teach you some basic everyday phrases of the Indian Sign Language.
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Do you need help? Do you need help? Different, different. Where's the airport? Where's the airport? Yes, yes. No, no. Mother, mother. Father, father. Will you repeat it? Will you repeat it? Water, water. Wait, stay, stay. Please, please. Discuss, discuss. Where's the railway station? Where's the railway station? Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Father, father. Mother, mother. Where, where. Early, early. On time, on time. Late, late.
I hope all of you would practice this and spread the word by sharing the video. Thank you.